Hello everyone. It appears it is my turn to answer the community AMA questions. I'll try coming at things from a more technical perspective if the opportunity presents itself. My name is Andrey Brozhko and I have over 20 years of experience leading product and software engineering efforts, primarily in distributed systems and security applications. My career spans large multinational companies and startups in fintech, blockchain and cloud industries. I previously worked at R3 and Oracle Corporation before that, and I hold masters in computer science and an MBA degree from Warwick Business School. Now, moving on to recent updates before we get to the AMA portion. We announced a new partnership last week that brings 10 million historical transactions to Aventus Network, plus a minimum expected 500,000 more per month on an ongoing basis. It is a testament to not only the commercial success of the Aventus Network, but to the maturity and potential of Aventus technology. As you know, we are targeting 1 billion Layer 2 transactions, with AVT validators earning their share of fees from every transaction. And this is a leap forward towards that goal. We're already in the middle of processing more than 18 million transactions. And if you'd like to participate and begin earning your share as an AVT token holder, you can do so at aventus.io/ecosystem. On to the AMA. Previously you said that you are waiting for the next bull run to start exchanges listings. Now the bull run is about to start. We can't believe that this awesome project not listed in big CEX like Binance. We are on it. Now we have clients like Fruit Lab, Cashback App and others needing to buy the AVT they need to process their transactions. We are aligned to providing the best customer experience in doing so, exchanges being a big part of that. Why another Layer 2 when this space is already crowded by many other Layer 2 projects? What are the unique use cases of AVT that differentiate it from other Layer 2s? Well, firstly, it is worth listing some of the important attributes of our technology. It is general purpose. It can include any bespoke business logic. It is based on substrate. It allows for future interoperability with other key blockchains. And it excels in the standard hygiene factors. The efficiency, it's faster, it's got predictable cheap costs, and it's more scalable than most other blockchains, Layer 2s, out there. There are also important commercial reasons why. Given the enterprise-grade nature of how we built it, we are going after traditional businesses who have a value add from blockchains, not just new markets like DeFi. And lastly, the Aventus Network is not just a Layer 2 that is fully dependent on the Layer 1. It is a self-sufficient, public enterprise blockchain, which is fully interoperable with Ethereum, and in the future with other blockchains. With Aventus Network, businesses are able to enjoy the efficiency and speed of Aventus technology while also avoiding any silos for assets or informations, as they would have done had they used a private network of comparable technical capability. As in the Aventus Network, information flows freely, on demand, between the Aventus Network and Ethereum. Next question. For ticket solution development, is there a plan or vision to enable developers to combine AVT usage with user social identity, such as Facebook account, to link ticket to specific person and prevent unauthorized reselling? Yes, for our live entertainment solution, identities are tied to wallets to ensure that the link persists between the owner and the ticket at all times. What big thing we can expect from Aventus in the rest of the year? Well, our strategic plan is to further open up the Aventus Network to the world by making independent onboarding onto the network easier for external companies and individuals. We are working on a number of initiatives in this area, which we will be announcing in due course. As well as always, we are working on helping our existing and new partners to unlock the benefits of blockchain technology for their businesses. Next question. How the staking client's relationship works. Is it the more AVT coins on the node, then the more transactions will be processed, and the more nodes, then the more the more secure the network will be. More stake in a node means higher probability to be selected as the next validator, yes, in the proof of stake model. So economically, more stake equals more transactions processed equals more fees. Stake is lost if a node commits an offense by being offline for too long or posting fraudulent transactions. This aligns the economic incentives of the market participants. More validators on the network does improve security and stability to a degree, but the market cap and liquidity of AVT is a more important factor than when it comes to security. If anyone can easily buy 51% of AVTs quickly, they can control the majority of transactions and governance. Next question. Are you considering adding delegated staking so anyone with any amount of tokens can contribute? The answer is we already have a similar situation to this today. If you go to staking.aventus.io, anyone with any amount of AVT can contribute towards the stake of a node and start earning fees from transactions. What requirement of a node and a validator node will be? And how does reward base on? The technical requirements are yet to be published, but let me assure you, it is nothing like the mining-related requirements you may be used to in other ecosystems. We will make the on-ramp as simple as possible through a managed service offering, and likely containerized, deployable in a few clicks, instances of nodes integrated with the popular cloud providers. Your success to make Aventus protocol used in real-world situations with awesome partnerships. Now, what is your plan to get the community grow, since the market is saturated with solid projects? Well, Alan spoke about this in his AMA session previously. He explained how we conduct our business development growth, so I refer you to that. Next question. There's a plan to have 1 billion transactions by the end of 2022. It means approximately $4 per staked AVT at the current node structure. Will the number of nodes stay the same, or the nodes will be added during the period? Yes, nodes will slowly be increased through phases 2 and 3 of our terms and conditions of the rollout until anyone can join, leave at any time. Next question. 500,000 monthly transactions is fantastic. Is there any public info about the price per transaction? Is it similar to Cashback app? It is similar to CBA, but full transparency for all AVT fees paid on the network is at explorer.aventus.io. Next question. There was a mention on the group that crypto influencers are being onboarded to promote Aventus. If true, it is not in line with AVT's head down, generate value and let the market respond approach. Well, after keeping the head down for a couple of years, focusing on our technology, we have now launched the mainnet and established a few major partnerships, which we will continue to develop and bring new partnerships as well. Hence, we are at the stage where we want to draw attention to Aventus, expand our community, and bring developers on board, as well as high-growth companies and enterprises. We need to communicate our efforts and achievements, so cooperating with influencers should help us raise awareness and support us in meeting our objectives, and it's something we are looking to invest in. Another question. Has Aventus considered approaching governments to build cost-efficient, controllable ecosystem for P2P lending, direct benefit transfers, or build their CBDC financial highways? No, we have not engaged with governments on those sorts of projects. We are working towards solutions to food provenance, for example, given Brexit and the number of goods being held at the border. But currently, overall, we are focusing on opportunities that will yield transactions in the short to medium term. Government contracts are very long in the sales cycle and therefore outside of our immediate scope. Thank you.